Saving with Shay. Listen, I'm gonna try to make this quick, y'all. It's late. Like, I wanted to try to get my Walmart video up for today, but it's just not gonna happen. I have to go do something in like an hour and a half, so I'm not gonna have the time to edit. So it'll be up in the morning. But I wanted to get this video up. It is a G word. It's a G word, so you're gonna do with this what you feel, all right? What you will, right? Today was just crazy. It was just long. Like, I went to all 3 stores today. We have 4 stores, all 3 superstores. And in my area, you guys, they completely closed all of the self-checkouts, like all of them. Because the rate of theft is just so freaking high. Like, they're losing millions and millions and millions of dollars. And so it's just not worth it. I was talking to one of my favorite cashiers, and he was saying, yeah, they can't, you know, they can't keep them up. They can't afford. I mean, I know Walmart is big or whatever, but they can't afford to keep the self-checkouts, you know, because when you got people doing your job, they are liable to do extra, you know what I mean, because they not getting paid to do what they do, you know what I mean. If you want, you know, your theft rate to go down, then you need to hire people to do the job that you are making as consumers do, right? And so I suppose it's the price that they're paying. I mean, I'm sure that they would have preferred to have a bunch of, you know, paid cashiers rather than them losing money off of us non-paid cashiers. But yeah, so that's why my stores were so crowded. The lines were so freaking long. And again, I went to all 3 stores. In fact, they do have some self-checkouts open, but it's only for like the Spark drivers, you know, or the gig workers and stuff. So, which is good, because they shouldn't have to wait in the long ass lines. And so, I don't know how it is in you guys' area, but as far as me in here, and it sucks because one of the stores, Maine, they literally have a load of self-checkouts, and now it's like they're all closed. And the other store on, what is it, Palmdale, they're remodeling. They're remodeling to add more stuff. And I think they were going to add a bunch of self-checkouts as well. And so that's crazy. But let me go over this, because I don't want to drag it out, and I know I probably already did. So maybe you guys are like, get on with it. So it's a G word. Again, do with this what you will. So I did this deal last time, and it worked. It's a new month, everything reset, right? So the deal on these, it's buy 2, get back $3.50. Okay, Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, ta-da. The conversion for My Points is a little higher because you're dividing the points by 159. So it's just a tad bit higher. I want to say it's like maybe an extra 74 cents, I want to say. And so you can just buy 2, right? Mine's are $1.12. I know that some of you guys might still have them priced at 97 cents, but in my area, they're $1.12. So you want to grab 2 of them at $1.12. You're going to pay $2.24, and you're going to get back $3.50, right? It's going to make it a $1.26 moneymaker for every set of 2. Now, the limit on this is a limit of 2 times. So you could buy 4 on one transaction. You would pay $4.48 and you would get back 7. So it'd make it a $2.52 moneymaker. Now, the other part of this being a G word, y'all, is that I have 2 different offers for the Clorox across the board. So when I first went, I just grabbed 4 just to test to see if it was working. And I did $5, went straight through. All right. Nothing went into review. No red flags, went straight through, right? And then I realized that there was 2 different offers, because when I submitted the receipt, there was 2. So I went ahead and clicked both of them. One expires 3/03 and one expires 2/29, I want to say. And so I clicked both of them, and the one for 3 that expires March 3rd, that one went through, the other one didn't, right? So then I was like, let me try and see if I can just buy 8 all at one time. So I didn't bring my receipts out with me right now, because I literally had to go meet a customer right now, and I just kind of jumped in a car and came. But I decided to grab 8 on one transaction, because I figured if I'm buying the required amount, which was a total of 8, then I should be able to redeem for both offers. So I did that, went straight through. I did My Points, and I did Inbox dollars. I didn't get around to ta-da because my stores are completely out. So if you live in my area, in my general area, y'all know where I live in the high desert, Palmdale is out, Main Street is out, and and Armagosa is out. So nobody has anything. I'm hoping that they restock tomorrow. Maybe I'll check in the morning. That way I can do it on, do 4 more packs for Swagbucks and then do 8 packs for Tada. Hopefully. I don't know if they're going to restock or not, but I'll check. So basically, I have like, gosh, how many packs do I have? 8, and 8 is 16, plus 4 is 20. So I have 20 packs right here. All right, 20 packs of the Clorox wipes. All right. And again, I did 8 on one transaction and it went straight through. Now, really quick, you know that Target has them cheaper, and it did work for Target last time. So I said, okay, let me just go to Target because Walmart's lines are so freaking long. I was just like, if I can not even go there, that'd be awesome. So I went to Target and I bought the lemon ones. I bought 8 and it was a no-go. It did not, it was do not pass go, do not collect $200. So yes, I had to go to the customer service and do a return. I just told her that I got the wrong ones. I was supposed to get the green ones. And so I just returned them. But yeah, it did not work for me at Target, but I only tried the lemon. I did not try the original ones, the green ones. I only tried the lemon scent. So the conversion for my points is you'd buy 8 of them at $112. You pay $8.96. You get back $14.96. You're getting back an extra 96 cents. So it makes it a $6 moneymaker. If you're submitting on inbox dollars, Swagbucks, or Tada, then it's a $5.04 moneymaker. So at the end of the day, all of these were free, plus an $18.60 moneymaker, you guys. So I would say run. Well, I don't want to say run, but I wouldn't say walk for sure. I wouldn't say sleep on it. I wouldn't say let me just go in the morning and hopefully it's still there. But it is working. Hopefully this video shouldn't take long to edit because it's only like 8 minutes so far. Really quick, there was a new survey on, not Brand Club, on Brand Club's on the brain, y'all. Because I swear, like my check-in time to do my surveys is at 5 o'clock. So 5 o'clock I do 3 and I'm still dead ass behind. I didn't even add surveys for this haul that I did today because I'm just so behind. But there is a survey for Flavor Wiki for snacks. I'll add a link in the description. I didn't qualify. I was really hoping and crossing my fingers that I did. So, but I'll have a link for you in the description so that you guys can see if you qualify for that survey. Other than that, you guys, I'm gonna leave it there. You guys have an awesome day night whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.